I'm Sharon and welcome to KG. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Last week we made this best vegan kimchi together. So this week I wanted to show you what it looks like and tastes like, and also show you how to make this super easy kimchi fried rice with it. Let's just dive right in. So this is the one we made last week. So as I mentioned in the video, I'll put the link up here. I had placed it at room temperature for a day and put in the fridge. So it's been staying in the fridge for 6 days. And this is the one I made 2 weeks ago, and I just put it in the fridge right away. And when I tasted it 2 days ago, it was still fresh. So I put it out at room temperature for 2 days just to ferment it. And we'll see if there's any taste difference if we do it the other way. So yeah, let's start. Let's open this thing. I don't know if you heard, but there was a hissing sound. And it's all bubbly. And it smells like it's so well fermented. Okay, let's taste the one from last week first. 잘 먹겠습니다. This is very refreshing. It has a little bit of fizziness, a little bit of zing up your nose. I love it. There is a slight difference in the taste. So I guess the major difference between the two is the fermentation stage. This one has a little bit more aged taste, which I love. They're both fizzy. This one is a little bit more refreshing. I think with these two, they're equally as good. So which one should I use to make the fried rice? I guess with the more aged one, because it always tastes better when you use more fermented kimchi. So let's go! You know, kimchi fried rice or kimchi 볶음밥 is a classic Korean comfort food, and there are so many different ways to make it. But I say this one is the easiest one because it's the version that I made as a child. This is the very first dish that I've ever made for a friend when I was 10. For my best friend in Korea, 안녕치. So basically, anybody can make this. But just to fancy it up, because I'm much older now, I'm gonna make a vegan fried egg to top it up. And this fried egg recipe is actually from another vegan channel. It doesn't taste like chicken, and I'll put the original video link in the description box below. So I'm just gonna make one portion today, one serving. And here I have half cup of kimchi, and I'm just gonna use scissors to chop it up. On a pan or wok over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of any vegetable oil, the cut kimchi, but try not to add the kimchi juice yet, and stir fry for a minute. And 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean hot pepper paste, and stir fry for another minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of kimchi juice, but you could add more if you like. Then add 1½ cup of steamed rice. And we're gonna mix well. And add about a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. And that's actually it. So you could serve it like this, but it tastes so much better when the rice and all the seasonings get browned a little bit at the bottom. So I'm just gonna let it cook over low heat for another 2 minutes. Now we're gonna make some egg yolk. We're gonna add half cup of water in a saucepan, and half tablespoon and half teaspoon of cornstarch. Whisk it, and then I'm turning on the heat. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. It's my new best friend now. It gives nutty and cheesy flavor. I'm adding so much more than the original recipe. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to give that creamy, smooth, fatty consistency of an egg yolk. And when it thickens up, I'm adding the black salt or kala namak to give the sulfuric eggy taste. And we're gonna cook for about 30 more seconds and that's it. You know, when you have an egg yolk with fermented kimchi, you get this amazing taste. So I'm really looking forward to this. Then we're gonna make the egg white with tofu. I'm using medium firm tofu, but you can use firm tofu if you like. Then we're gonna make a thin cut. I guess this is about 8 millimeters or 1 centimeter. The thickness is really up to you. Then we're gonna trim off the edges to make this irregular circle to mimic the egg white. Like so. Then we're just gonna fry it on the frying pan with a little bit of oil, just to brown the two sides a little bit. Then we're gonna make a circle cut in the middle. I'm using a knife, but you can use a circle cutter or a shot glass. And when you remove the middle circle, ta-da! Green onion is totally optional, but it'll level up the taste and the visual. And lettuce is not just for the looks. Eat more greens, you know. Sprinkle the green onions and we're gonna top it up with the vegan fried egg now. Okay, our kimchi fried rice, kimchi bokkeumbap is ready, and let's have a taste. 잘 먹겠습니다. Let me have the rice first. Oh my god, the egg yolk! I'm gonna need more egg yolk. Oh, this is so good, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is the taste of a childhood. My childhood. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is such an easy way to make kimchi fried rice. And I topped it up with a vegan fried egg, which is from another channel, but this was really delicious. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye!